Hey everybody, I'm really sorry for this inconvenience. Hello? Yeah, I think the audio is good. I'm really sorry. Oh, fuck. Do you hear me at least, bro? Okay. Guys, I'm really sorry. Like, TradingView just crashed. I'm gonna take 2 contracts because we made an SMT right now. Let me do it very quick. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna take 1 contract, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna take 1 contract. Or 2. I mean, my goal was here, but since we got the SMT, I think 2 contract could be the good one. I'm gonna think about it. Give me a second. But I'm really sorry. I'm really fucking sorry. But at least the trade played out. As you can see, it was just an inverse here, a CASD, right? We got the SMT, we got the CASD. I didn't have time to hedge myself because fuck, this just like my trading view just crashed. But yeah, right now, guys, if you took this, if you took this long, which is not financial advice, of course, I would recommend you to just like close, not close, but like take some profits here. Right now, I'm waiting for this to get a CSD, but I think I'm gonna leave my trade open or at least take 1 contract. Yeah, we got super lucky. We got super lucky, man. I just have to say I got so lucky today because TradingView just like, bro, I don't know what happened. It crashed. I wanted to close my position because I was scared to not have control of it. But bro, it worked out pretty well, guys. Pretty well. Let's see how much we're up right now. We're almost passing this eval in what, 2 days. So yeah, I'm happy, guys. I'm happy. I mean, we have this major liquidity pool, which is my main target. But since we made an SMT right now, I would like to take some contracts out, right? I mean, this I'm gonna take like just 50% out, or I'm gonna take 1 contract out for now, right? Just to get paid. I like to get paid, so we're gonna sell 1, right? This is a long sell, perfect. We sold 1 contract. We took some profits right now, just to get paid, right? So, and we're waiting. I think this is my main target. This is still my main target. Will remain my main target right now. Okay, bro. If we made a CASD here, honestly, I wouldn't trade my stop loss still here, but this could be very positive. This could be a protected low. But yeah, since CS took that high, I'm really skeptical about it, bro. And yeah, took 1 contract, right? Perfect. Yeah. Let's see. Let's wait. And if I see, I mean, we could see something. We could perfectly see something like this, right? Bam, bam. We take liquidity down below. We made a CSD, and then we go higher. This always happens, especially when it's very extended, like this scenario, right? So yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna close these tabs, bro. I don't want these tabs. Okay, perfect. Economic calendar always here. So yeah, basically the idea, guys, like, is that I didn't take this trade early on here because at this stage we didn't have we had a fair value gap, I think, like here, and we didn't inverse that gap. So me, like, when I trade in Q, I'm really looking for correlation with ES. Like, for me, it's really important for both assets to be correlated. It gives more confidence, in my opinion. I backtested that on TradeZella, and that's what I saw, at least on my behalf. And then basically what price did is that it went down to sweep liquidity, right? So we form an SMT here, and then this was the real engineered move. And what I was waiting for, I just waited for simply this CASD here, which is really important, CASD. And then when we go to CASD, we had a 5 minute gap here. So like if I had the account with me, what I would have done, like, as soon as we got here, I would have trailed my stop loss. Actually, right now I'm gonna trail it because we're already, like, no need to like get losses right now. And yeah, that was it. That was it basically. I think today I got really lucky and I mean honestly, if the trading if I would have been able to close my position, I would have closed it because I just don't have control of the account, and that's bad, right? I'm not someone that is really confident when it comes to like just take a trade and like close your computer and wait for the outcome. I'm someone that really tries to trail stop loss and stuff like that. So yeah, but right now I'm gonna go break even. Basically, I'm gonna remove this because I cannot modify the. Oh my god, I think it's lagging again. Oh my god, bro. There's no way, bro. This is crazy, bro. Okay, oh no, all good, all good, all good. Yeah, cancel. Perfect. We're gonna put the limit right now. I'm gonna put here. So since we're buying, how many contracts I have left? 3 contracts. Yeah, that's a limit order. I'm gonna check. Yeah, perfect. Okay, and the sell stop, same. We cannot modify. This is like super stupid. Oh my god, bro. But guys, I think I won't take any more profit. You know, I think this is good for now. And bro, if we take profit, this is gonna be the best trade I ever taken, bro. Let's go. Oh my god, bro, that was super quick, bro. Super quick, man. Damn, bro. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, this was hell of a quick trade, bro. Damn, bro. Yeah, guys, I hope you liked it. I hope you liked it, bro. We're almost past this this evil. $800 today. Damn, bro. Damn. And yeah, guys, I think like if you took this position, take profit now, or if you want to leave some runners, take like 90% and you just leave like the rest here above, you know, like as a moon bug. I'm gonna stay here a bit longer. I might take another trade if I see a nice pullback. But of course I'm gonna go like lower risk because I already got paid. Just for this for the sake of this live, because I think it's nice to trade with you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. But like, well, for those wondering, I'll make the recap again. So basically, I started the day, we're bullish, right? We're bullish. We see, you know, we see that we're constantly making. We see that we're constantly making higher highs, lower highs, right? So the bias, it's clearly bullish, right? So what I was looking for, we see that a New York Open, we dump lower, right? We take some sell side liquidity here, right? Is it on a discount? No. We take sell side liquidity. Why do I wait? I wait for more confirmation. So here we took say sell side, right? We do an initial move up, but the move up is not enough, right? As you can see, like we didn't have enough confirmation. Why? Because at this point I was looking at this fair value gap here, right? We had this and was looking for this to get inversed. Okay, this got inversed, but on the other hand, this fair value gap that is the same as this one, basically on yes, did it get inversed? See how it wicked, right? It wicked a lot here. So I was waiting this to get inversed, and then what happened? We got a small move lower, right? We see that here in this area we took liquidity, okay, while on the other hand here we didn't take liquidity, right? We see the opposite. One is doing a lower high, the other one is doing a higher is not doing a lower high. So that's considered a sweep of liquidity, like but it's an SMT, right? What I was waiting for is a CASD. We got a perfect candle close on the CASD. Target areas of liquidity, same here, right? Same here, but the thing is that we had this massive fair value gap, so I wanted to be really careful. So the idea is what? You see this fair value gap here, right? And if you enter, you just, as soon as price taps this fair value gap, you just like hedge yourself. You just go break even. That's the way you do it. Like I do it, at least to just make sure that if this is a false move, at least I get either break even or I reduce my loss. That's all. That's all about it. So okay, right now we're already pretty much so right now we're pretty much extended. So as always, what do we look for when we have expansion? Like if you didn't manage to get the move, that doesn't matter at all. You can wait. You can wait for what? As I always said, you wait for, right? We go lower, right? And then we can do something like this, right? So what I would be looking for? Sell side liquidity, CISD, and an inverse here, right? Imagine this is an inverse Ferrari gap, right? That's what I'll be looking for, right? We can also have an SMT here, and also ideally, if it could be at discount, like around this area, it would be also like really great, right? If we got it on discount, this would be super great. So that's what I'm looking for. So right now we just have to wait and see. So a really important concept that it's I think in my opinion it's important to like highlight is the fact that, remember I told you this is on the macro, right? And look what happened on the macro. This is a 10 a.m. macro if I'm not wrong. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, please, because I'm in Europe. So as you can see, when the macro started, look at the move we got, right? So it always happens like 10 minutes before the next hour and the 10 minutes after the hour. Yeah. So that's all I'm waiting. So what do you think, guys? Give me your opinion. Give me what. Ask any questions if you want. Let's see right now. Ideally, let's see if we can get like something like this, you know. Wait. Something like this would be really, really nice. Also on Bitcoin, I cut this move, like really good move, guys. Like if you want to make if you want me to make a video trading crypto, I think I can do it, right? This strategy is like really the juice, like the juice. As always, this strategy is not like 100% guaranteed, but always with proper risk management, it can work really well, man. This strategy also works on NQ, but it has more indicator, right? And on NQ, I really like to just trade ICT normally. Okay, here we go. Let's see here. We have something really interesting. We got an SMT. Let's wait and see if we can get like, if we can get something nice. But yeah, the take profit was amazing, right? We took this high and I said, yeah, take profit here, because this is like, as you can see, there's a lot of consolidation, there's a lot of liquidity getting accumulated, right? So this was certainly going to be an area in which price would react, right? So always don't be greedy and take profit when it's necessary. Always try to like not take a lot of profits to not eat up my position, but always I like to get myself paid, right? I like this. Why? Because this is on discount. So let's see right now if we get something nice. So in which, when would I take a long? It depends. I'm gonna wait and see. We have a 2 minute for value gap that is getting formed, a 3 minutes, not yet. So I would like to see maybe something like this, right? I mean, it depends a lot on the context, right? So maybe like something like this, you know, in order to get a CASD here, right? And my next target would be those highs right here. So let's see. As you can see, there's a lot of liquidity getting engineered, right? We have a big accumulation here. We got the manipulation, we got the distribution, but as well here, as you can see, there's a lot of equal highs, right? A lot of liquidity resting above. So yeah, but for me, it wouldn't be a short. No, it wouldn't be a short, since we got like a lot of fair value gaps here. So there's a lot of like areas of support, right? But here, as you can see, we don't have anything yet. Just waiting. Let's see if we get the first inverse fair value gap here. Yeah, we have the first presented fair value gap. Sorry, not inverse, sorry, presented. We're gonna mark it out. Always it's good to have this as reference. So right now we bounce from the first presented. Let's see. Okay, we formed this 2 minutes. So yeah, it's pretty much a big gap. So yeah, I mean, it's not because this 1 minute could get inverse that it means that the 2 minute will get inverse, right? It's always look for the highest fair value gap that is going against you, right? So I'm looking always for the highest fair value gap to get inversed. I mean, don't think that just because we invert the 1 minute, the 2 minutes will be technically inverse. That's not correct. So yeah, let's wait and see. Honestly, like a good strategy could be just like wait for the macros and look at trading the macros, right? I mean, the macros are always like so key if you want to catch a big move, right? Maybe we could take some sell side here, right? Or here. I mean, it's the same. But here, technically, we took some sell side here as well. So let's see. We got a 4 minute as well. 4 minutes is getting formed as well. Oof, that's a nice close, bro. This is like really similar to a setup we got yesterday, bro. Really similar, bro. Is it worth taking? Yeah, in my opinion, yes, because I mean, it fills out the criteria. I just don't like. I mean, the close, alright. If we take a trade like this, you would have a pretty wide stop loss, and then your TP would be here, right? 101 risk to reward ratio. And yeah, then the next area of liquidity is like right there, but of course it's insanely far, right? I think you should put like an N1 new week opening gap as a target like this. This could be a nice target as well. I'm not gonna mark it out, but like yeah, it's always good to keep in mind. If you have like if you have liquidity pools that are like pretty far from your position, new week opening gaps can be always a great like take profit spot. Yeah. Looks like ES will inverse that gap, but in Q not. And as always, I'm looking for both to get inversed. You can ask me a question about crypto if you want, whatever you want. Right now, checking, bro, this trade was just insane, bro. Fucking insane, bro. Right now, well, the RSI still have a lot of move to go up. There's a lot of upside on the RSI. I mean, the overall market sentiment is still really bearish in my opinion, at least for Bitcoin. In my opinion, I mean, the longer we stay like below those EMAs, you know, those levels here, like below those Ichimoku clouds and those EMAs, that means that price is just doesn't have enough like strength to go higher, right? Okay, yes, inverted this fair value gap, but not in Q, so I'm waiting as well. I always want to see both. I had a lot of scenarios in which like I would wait for ES to like inverse, and actually this is not an inverse yet. Look, like this candle closed actually below this wick, right? If we are a bit precise, yeah. Yes, it's ripping higher. Like to see that. I mean, you know, this could be a valid trade to be honest. If we inverse this gap, this 4-minute gap, something like this, you know. But it's not my A++ setup, right? So, I mean, I could enter here, but I would go like really long contracts, like something like this, bro. Just like, yeah, we'll put like, I don't know, like maybe 2 contracts, bro. Yeah, something like this, bro. Probably. But this was a nice pullback, to be honest, eh? This was a very nice pullback. Always what I'm looking for when we have like so much expansion. Yeah, that 3-minute didn't get inverse technically, as you can see, as I said before. So no, I'm gonna wait. NQ this month has been moving like really great, like really. I've never seen in my life such a month in NQ, to be honest. Yeah, it was worth the wait. It was worth the wait. Yeah. Both fair value gaps didn't get inversed. Let's see. I have faith that this maybe could be a nice trade to take. You know, we get a pullback. Let's see. Can't believe like today I got like such an insane luck. That's so much luck, man. Couldn't imagine, bro. Maybe next macro we get something at 450. 450 would be 1050 for New York, for Central European time. Let's check a bit crypto. Okay, what do we got here? Nothing yet that sparks my interest, especially because when I take a trade, I always, like, my trades always come from sweeps of liquidity, like always, 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 always. So here we don't have technically a sweep of liquidity. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. But yeah, the entry from the TP, it was very good. Just nailed it. Okay, now it looks like 3 views working well. Finally, guys. Damn. It was time, bro. Here we got an inverse. To be honest, could be a really good point of entry. I mean, not really good, in my opinion. Not the best, just because we don't come from a sweep of liquidity. This is not considered a sweep of liquidity, in my opinion. So yeah, this is just wait, and let's see. Oh, that's a very nice week. Let's see, man. Let's see. Man, ideally, I would like to like my real ideal scenario would be like this, bro. That would be my super ideal scenario. I would really like to see this. On top of that, why? Because on top of that, we got here. It's basically discount territory, so we would have another additional confluence. But yeah, this. I mean, there's no liquidity sweep. But if this week would have started like here, like if this instead of this, it would have done like this. In my opinion, I would have taken the trade, 100%. In my opinion. But just follow me. Remember, guys, always follow your rules. Don't get too overexcited. We cut out a nice trade. No, we wait. I'm probably expecting this to happen maybe in the next macro. Next macro, when is it? Here, which is 11 a.m. macro. 11 a.m. or 10 a.m. Yeah, 11 a.m. Yeah. Oh man, bro, I need to really. No, here, center, bottom, top, perfect. So yeah, I think we should wait for macro. Here we get an SMT. For now, honestly, nothing really relevant to have an SMT when you're trending upwards. When you have a super, when price is on an expansionary phase, right? I think it's not really relevant to like put the SMT, bro. Honestly, I think it won't change much. Honestly, bro, the thing is that like here I wasn't really confident to take this trade because we didn't close into this for value gap, but this here market gave us a really good opportunity of re-entry, bro. Really good opportunity. It's just that often, like I often like to see like an internal sweep of liquidity, right? Sweep of liquidity is not when you just like sweep like a big, like let's say a big liquidity pool like this one, right? Sweep of liquidity can be also like stuff like this, right? Small stuff like this could also be considered as a sweep of liquidity. But here, as you can see, we got nothing, right? Here as well. But it could have been an interesting trade to take, honestly. For crypto, I think my next area is going to be this one, if you want to take a short, in my opinion. Could be a very good area. RSI are still getting extended. Let's see. Okay, looks like this MT has played out. This is giving us an opportunity maybe for another pullback. Nice, let's see. SMT right here. Could it be a trade? Why not? Why not? Let's wait, let's wait. I'm gonna still mark out this as area of liquidity. This as well. No, nothing yet. Nothing interesting. I like this, you know, because this could be an accumulation, right? If you guys are familiarized with the AMD, this could be maybe your accumulation phase. Do we have it here? Oh, this could be our accumulation phase. Then we could maybe see like manipulation phase, right? Here. And maybe your distribution phase could be like this one, right? Toward these highs right there. Could it be? It could be. I mean, for me, it's a valid setup. So let's wait. Maybe the, you know, and when it accumulates and manipulates, we often see the following, right? We often see this. Ooh, this looks terrible. This looks absolutely terrible. Perfect. We often see something like this, right? So let's see. Right now we're accumulating. We're engineering liquidity here at the lows. So let's see. Let's wait. Oh, that's another really nice short, man. Man, I should like really get into crypto soon, man, and trade seriously, bro. Accumulation. We're still accumulating. We don't have anything yet concrete. We have another big level here on crypto. Oh shit, now it's getting boring. Just accumulating right now. I guess I'll wait until the macro. If nothing happens, I'm gonna close the stream, guys. Because we already got paid, we already got our trade for today. So let's see. Let's wait until 450. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Let's wait. Maybe we get something interesting in this macro. Yesterday we got a really nice trade off of that macro, so we'll keep waiting. Here we have liquidity resting above, so we'll wait. Oh yeah, that's the area I was looking for. That's nice, Ethereum, man. Top of the linear regression, 27 minute baseline. Fast stochastics overbought. We gotta, no, they're not overbought. No, they're not overbought yet. No, actually this wouldn't have been a great trade, to be honest. Better wait. Okay, and Q is delivering a high. Ooh, that's maybe macro time. This, to be honest, bro, I mean, I wasn't really looking at this, but like this could have been a great trade, to be honest. The CASD right there. Here, bro. This could have been a good trade, bro. But yeah, I mean, if these 2 minutes get inversed, you know, I might enter. Because we took some sell side here below, but yeah, I want both assets, both indexes to do same, right? Three, 4, maybe 4. Yeah, 4 could be good. I'm waiting. Nothing concrete yet. No inverse. Got some sell side liquidity here. I think we got an SMT. Yeah. But for now, we didn't get that inversed, so I'm waiting. Okay, we're getting the inverse. I just don't like the only thing that I don't like is that it's too extended, man. And when it's too extended, I often don't get a nice RR, right? If I take a trade, bro, here, not ideal. So I would like go like maybe here. Take profit would be like here, maybe. How much does it? We got the macro though right now, so let's see. Yeah, no. Just don't like the entry, bro. Oh, maybe here could be better. Why I can see like the... No! 5 seconds. Does it close above? Yeah, but yes, it's not closing. So now I won't do anything as of now. Let me see just something. Here we have another liquidity pool. I'm gonna mark it out. Perfect. Great. Technically, since this is a volume imbalance, like technically according to the mentorship, this would be the whole fair value gap. Technically. At the end of the day, I'm not sure again. I'm not sure. Yeah, still respecting the gap. Really well to not get in. Okay, macro starting right now. I want to see a run on sell side liquidity right now. Okay, let's wait. I think this is gonna be the last 20 minutes I will trade. If nothing happens, I'll move on. That's all. We got in any case, we made 800 bucks on the Evo today, so that's pretty decent, if I can be honest with you. Okay, waiting for this. Nothing as of now. I would see this go below. Okay, we're in the macro right now. We're inside the macro. Price is pushing lower. We have a lot of accumulation here. Could this be the manipulation leg right now? We'll see. Price is taking some sell side right now. This could be, may have a play here. Let's wait. Okay. Technically this is a sweep. Yeah, technically this is a sweep, even if we didn't like break below that much. Let's wait for a reaction. Otherwise I would even prefer to see like taking this sell side rather. Okay, nice. Okay, we both took sell side. Let's see which one is this. Okay. So ideally what I want to see a CSD maybe here. Okay, we got the reaction. That's very good. But I'm waiting for more confirmation. I want an IFEG or something like that. Otherwise, I won't rush it. Oh my god, bro! Why this doesn't click? Nothing as of now, but like this can be really good because we're forming a short-term high here. So if we get a CSD here, also it could be a really nice point of entry. Let's see, guys. Right now we're in the macro. We'll wait. We get this accumulation. Maybe this can be the manipulation, and then we got the distribution higher. We have two liquidity pools right there. Ooh, that could be interesting. That could be interesting. Here could be my break-even point. This could be my break-even point. Nothing as of now, nothing yet. No order block, no IFG. I'm just waiting, guys. I'm just waiting. Nothing to do right now. A 4-minute will get open right now. But nothing as of now. Nothing. Maybe we can maybe we wait for this. This could be the last move, and then bro, we full port towards all-time highs, right? Okay. We take some sell side. Okay. First presented for value gap. I like this. I like this. Okay, bro. Now, if we inverse this for value gap, I'm gonna go long. Only if we inverse this for value gap. Well, in Q. But okay, guys, we got the accumulation. That's what I commented before. Accumulation, manipulation. Do we get the distribution? We don't know. I think here we got a really nice SMT. Yeah, we got an SMT. Let's see the reaction. We're on the macro. Yeah, we're on the macro. Let's see. Let's wait. Okay, this is getting going. 2, 3, 4, 5. No, nothing on 5. Okay, nice reaction. So let's wait. Want to see any inverse? Remember, like if we inverse this, bro, this could be a really really nice A+ setup, bro. So I'm waiting. Let's be patient. Okay, nice. We're preparing the position. TP here, stop loss here. I'm gonna go like just for contracts, right? Because I'm not. Okay, 49 seconds. I need a candle close there. If I don't get it, I won't enter. 246. I'm gonna go 3 contracts, just because today I made already big money. Okay, 3 seconds, bro. It's insane. Waiting for the macro is so insane. Okay, fuck. I don't like this. Too extended, bro. Oh my god. Okay, let's see if we can get a better position right now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, second position. We got in. TP here. TP here. Okay, we have a fair value gap here, but I think it won't matter. We have a nice liquidity sweep, so we just have a fair value gap there. You know what? I think I'm gonna train my stop loss. Not now, but like it's just this gap. I don't like it at all. I think it's better to wait for this to get inversed. But since the setup is good, I don't know. But like this could go against us, right? This gap, yeah. As I told you, I just opened like that moment, bro. It's crazy. Okay, if we inverse this gap here, I'm gonna close the trade early, because that means we would lose like the last support line before going higher. Like I mean the last support line before getting to the stop loss. So yeah, but I knew like this gap, I didn't see it, bro. That's why I don't like this. Okay, we lost it. I'm gonna close the trade early. Oh fuck! Trading view is lagging again, guys. Trading view is lagging again. I still want to close it though, huh? Don't fool me. I swear, bro, these preference work like ass, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it right now. It's just because we inverse this gap, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I close, guys. I close. I don't like this. Like, if we get the CSD here, maybe, but I won't risk. It's just this gap. I knew it was going to be problematic, bro. But if we get the CSD here, I might re-enter. Yeah. Let's see. Bro, it works like ass, bro. This shit, like this trading view, bro, works like ass. What's the overall? Yeah, 700s. We're good, we're good. We're just a lot of bid. Doesn't matter, bro. This flag gap, I knew it was going to be problematic, bro. I swear. I mean, you know, I would even rather prefer seeing this getting inverse than like getting here, you know. I would even prefer seeing this like getting inverse, to be honest. Okay, we get into CSD right now. The thing is that I didn't have time to hedge myself, right? So yeah, I want to see this. I would like to see an inverse on this gap. You know, I would rather, to be honest, I prefer it much more. Even if the trade is like is good, but it's just I would rather see this gap getting close, bro. And on top of that, we're making an SMT on this fair value gap. So yeah, I won't rush it, bro. I prefer not rush it, to be honest. I'd rather be patient and wait for something better. Like normally what I do is that when you have like a scenario like this, I mean for me it would have been ideal to see like a close here, right? But like something that closes like more or less at this, like this, right? So that as soon as price taps this 4-minute gap, I just like go break even. Yeah, yeah. I mean, this doesn't mean we're bearish, right? We can get a 6-minute in which we get a last sweep of liquidity. But this gap this time I'm gonna get it marked, bro, because yeah. So I don't like it that much, bro. Okay, nice. Pushing to the upside. We got a sweep of liquidity here. We got an SMT right there. CSD here could be a good play, yeah. Just I don't like, as I said, I don't like the fair value gap we got there. 4 minutes. Let's see. Yeah. Rather wait right now, to be honest. Even if it could play out, and this could perfectly play out, to be honest. Yeah, price is not managing to form the CASD. That shows that there's a lot of like upside, upward momentum. Yeah, no CSD, nothing yet as of now. But honestly, I think good risk management, right? Overall, instead of losing 180, we just lost 70, which is pretty good, you know. Nothing yet, nothing. This is just really choppy. Really choppy. Nothing to highlight right now. Just choppiness. Oh yeah. This area that I marked out. Amazing area, bro. Fuck. I'm gonna start trading crypto, man. I should start trading crypto, to be honest. Another sell side liquidity pool here. The macro finishes in 4 minutes. I'm gonna give it like a last go, or else I'm out for today, guys. Okay. Price going lower. Nice. I think we hedged ourselves pretty well. Let's see. This could be a good play. If we get a CSD on ES, would be beautiful. Okay, we got an SMT. Let's see now, let's see. Bro, if we inverse this 1 minute, can be great, bro. But honestly, guys, I think I'm gonna go right now because I have to study. But yeah, guys, I hope you liked the live today. Hope you learn a bit, at least from what I've got. Honestly, yeah, I hope you liked it. If you have questions, let me know. Always happy. You can ask through RJ. If I can give you like some opinion about this can be a good setup. Honestly, like if this kind of closes like this as well on ES, this could be a really nice long, bro. Oh man, don't tempt me. Oh my god, this could be okay. Now I won't trade, but this could be a really nice long, to be in my opinion. Just wait for ES to inverse this gap as well. But yeah, that's all for today, boys. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned. And yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna trade as always, trying to get past this preference. We're just roughly 800 bucks away from passing this account. And honestly, it's very good, keep in mind that I traded, I think, just 3 times and we took like 2 losses, right? So we took 2 losses. We took this one and another one yesterday. We took I don't know if you remember. So yeah, I hope you liked it, hope you learned, hope you enjoyed, and that's all, guys. Thanks for those who have came to come to learn. And yeah, boys, have a great day, have a great week, great week. Bye bye.